Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outfit from Princess Protection Program on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for the crown and the sleeves. So let's get started with the video, removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is just the crown. For the hair I did use these bangs here in this brown color. And then go to the curly section, select this one in brown as well. Then for the crown, I used this in this color, A1D25D, in these adjustments. Position the Y at 0.57 and scale it to 0.37. For the outfit, you do need the trendsetter skirt. Select this one in no ruffles in this yellow color, FFD06F. Then we're going to grab this for the sash. This one in the second toggle. Color it this red first in matte and then go to matte again and then select this color 7FB4B5 and then color the rest red. Then for the top and the sleeves, for the top I just used this dress here in that same color. And then for the sleeves I used the Valentine sleeves one, this one, in that color in matte. And that is it. Oh, forgot about the gloves. Got these gloves here in no fur, light silk in this color in the palette. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.